Good morning, students. I am Pragati, your psychology teacher. Today, taking the final part of self and personality. This is the topic related to behavior analysis. Till now, in the chapter, we have studied about self and personality, its theories, types, how to understand it, how to check personality, what tests are there. Everything we have studied about. But what it all about is about behavior. And in this, behavior analysis is a thing in which the situation has been arrived, means in which situation, in which circumstances, in which, with the help of which stimulus our responses vary and changes, and how do we measure it and how do we observe it. Okay, all that is known to behavior analysis. And what are the steps or techniques used for measuring the behavior analyzing. Okay, how do we analyze a behavior? It's all about this. A person behavior is a variety of situations. See, the important thing, the person of behavior is a variety of a situation, can provide us with meaningful information about individual personality. His or her means personality. So these are important terms of this definition. Behavior analyze सब क्या समझते हो? What do you mean by behavior analyze? Or if I have write this definition and ask you what does it mean, so you have to answer it in that behavior analyze. When a situation is there in front of a person and meaningful information from that variety of situations, say we can remove the meaningful information. And how can we remove that meaningful information? In some steps. First, interview. Second, observation. Third, behavior rating. Fourth, nomination. 5, situational test. These are some of the types in which we can find out the human's behavior. Okay, what is interview? Interview are of different types that we will discuss later, but main thing, interview is one-to-one person, one-to-one or group-to-one, in which we study about someone or we ask him questions related to the topic about which behavior we want to find. Okay, the interview is in two forms, unstructured and structured. Unstructured is on casual. For example, you have come to me and I was asking you how are you, what's your name, or kya hua, or what about your career plans, what is your goal in your life. So these are just simple questions which are a genuine question, which are not well structured. Okay, been asking you further, moving on the discussions, I ask you about climate, what is your viewpoint on the thoughts related behavior, emotion, kuch bhi. In this form we ask, that is unstructured. Structured, in which we have some time, some rating of the answer, as well as in this we have rating of the answer, that we have to rate the person according to his answer. Okay, it is in a form, it is in a format that like this we have to answer a person. Okay, so that is structural interview. Structural interview or unstructured interview, but it is very time consuming. That is the drawback, that it is time consuming. It is for both, for the observation as well, it is time consuming. Okay, in this one more thing, that in both of these, the conscience and requirement of the experiments, means we need a requirement of to do the practical, to do the interview, we need permission from the consequent or from the recipient, that you need to answer, and are you comfortable to answer the question. So you need to ask that to your client. Okay, so now in the observation, what does it mean? Observation is related to something in which you are judging, understanding someone's behavior. You are diagnosing someone's behavior in a format to understand his personality. But the drawback here rise when you come and when you say a person that I'm observing your behavior, or when you are interviewing some person, they will present you their positive side. For example, when I come in your class and I say, do whatever you want to do, this is your free period, I am sitting here and observing you. Just imagine what you will try to do. You will do that, okay ma'am, ठीक है, you will start doing your own subjects, then you show that you are studying, or you will say that you're talking to some of your friend, and then if somebody is disturbing you, you will complain about him, but you will not say that I have done this mistake as well. Okay, trying to say one another's mistake, but showing yourself in a positive side. Okay, that you are doing good but the other one is not. This is a human behavior and a normal behavior which we can observe. Okay, so this observation is about the method. Now next is behavior rating. We are sometimes rating a particular behavior in one or another way. The behavior rating is in the form in which we are taking the people's and telling them to rate them. Okay, that rate yourself or rate a person on basis of something. So here, for example, I have given you some situation. Okay, for example, on discipline or aggressiveness. Okay, or friendly behavior. Now I say that one of your friends name, for example I say Raghav. Okay, any name, A, B, C, D, Raghav. Now I say Raghav, his best friend is Rahul, and now I say that Raghav rate Rahul on the basis of disciplines from 1 to 5. Okay, he will try to rate him 4 or 5 because they both are good friends. Okay, now just listen my thing. Now I said again to Raghav to rate a person, his name or her name is Shaina. Okay, suppose I say Raghav that rate Shaina. Now Shaina is not a good girl, or they both are not good friends, or they don't like each other, and I said that you rate Shaina on aggressiveness from rating to 1 to 10. Then what he will do? He will again rate her 8, 9 or 10. But here is also they are hiring the most, here is also they are rating the most, but the change is of the level. That here I am saying him to rate in aggressive level, and here I am saying him to rate in discipline level. Here it is a positive emotion, here it is negative emotion. But the relationships also describe that he is not having a good friendly relationship with China. So he is saying that in aggressiveness she is very high, she is 9 or 10. But if I say that rate Rahul in the discipline level, he is rating him 4 and 5, means he is a very good boy, he is very disciplined boy. Okay, because they are best friends, best buddies. Okay, similarly, if they are best buddies, so in the friendly behavior also he will rate him in 5 scale at 5 only, है ना? So, and on China he will rate 1 or 2 or maybe 0 also. That depends upon their behavior, about their relationship. Okay, so that is something, the behavior rating. And in this, the drawback is that if a person have a good relation, good rapport with the other person, then the rate scales rises. But if the rapport is not good, not well established rapport is there, then the rate scales decrease in a good one, good emotions, and increase in a bad emotions. Okay, to show the other person is negative. So that is the drawback as well, and this is a kind of behavior rating which we give in a interview or in a counseling sessions on the basis of different things what we want to find out from a person. Okay, which kind of personality or on which basis the interview has been depicted, on according to that the scale has been established or formed, and on that only we try to give the scale, rating scale, whether own self or telling their friends to give the rating to them. Okay, then coming to the nominations. Nomination is a thing in this what does happen. It is about the peer assessment. It is also known for peer assessment. Peer means friend, right? So peer assessment is there. So what does happen? We have to choose a person. In this what happened? This biasness will not arise. Why do this biasness will not arise? Because now we are giving the categories. We are giving a category to person 1 to say, to put the whole group or class in that categories. We used to do it many times in our friendship groups, right? You would be also have been done. For example, I say there is something for the shopping. 1 minute, I just dropped the board. For example, I kept categories. Playing cricket, playing games, okay. Movies के लिए outing, we are outing for hill stations, okay. Like this I have put some categories. Now I said there is person A, B, C, D, okay, and other side the person E have to rate everyone. Now we ask Miss E that Miss E just rate, put these children's or your friends in these categories. Now what she will do, she will put one by one in another thing. Like if she want to go for shopping, she say A. If she want to play game, then she say C. If she want to go for a movie, she say B. And if she want to go for outing, she will say D. So in this way we will categorize our favorite one, our relatives, friends, people in different style. If I want to talk something very personal, I will talk to Mr. A. If I want to talk like something very related to business, I will talk to Mr. C. If I want to talk related to something about the culture or economical, I will talk to B. So that way we formalize the behaviors, the categories, and we differentiate our groups according to the categories. That is also one form of analyzing the behavior. Okay. Last is situational test. In this also there is nothing as this, and biasness creates lesser at amount, because in this we give a difficult situation. Okay, we give a tougher situation, and due to this situation we have to select a person in 2 streams and they have to select any one. Okay, how does this happen? In this we will give a situation in which there are both the options are very difficult, but a person need to select any one. For example, I said that you are passing a highway, and in the highway you see a extreme accident of a person if I suppose you are going in a hill station and all of a sudden heavy rainfall occur, and due to heavy rainfall your vehicle has been not working or not going upstairs, and you are standing on a slant. Now you have to save your life, and how will you save? If you will not save your life, you will fall down, or if you will try to move further, then accident will occur. Which side will you select? Both the sides are tougher, but you have to select the 1. This type of pressurized situation, a negative or a pressurized situation is being depicted or presented in front of you. For example, I say that you have to select one person, your mother or your father. The situation is very tough for us. Both parents are equal. We cannot select anyone. But the situation rise and you have to select anyone, then whom will you select? That selection will explain about your personality. That selection of a person or of a situation, of anything related to any topic will explain about your personality, and in that you will not able to do any kind of biasness. Okay, so these are few of the steps of behavior analysis which completes the chapter self and personality, and these behavior analyzing tests help us to understand the behavior, and also it help us to know how to go through this. Okay, how to analyze the behavior. This is all about the self and personality chapter. I hope you are doing your notes properly and also going through the NCERT question. Very soon your exams will also start, so please go through the class works, and I am going to put it in the Google Classroom. So come on Google Classroom and attend your class works, and also very soon we will start the live classes over there. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.